Alright guys, I'm over here at that building with the train tracker zone systems. Here's our main control panel, and here you can get to the zones and so forth and set your heating cooling set points for occupied and unoccupied times. Here are all your CCP panels, and I'm hoping we're a rooftop unit number 2 that's having the issue. I don't think I'm getting any airflow in any of the zones, so I'm hoping I can go up the roof and we'll see what's going on. I'm praying, hoping we don't have any issues with any of the actual zone stuff. There's a few sensors that failed. The building owners don't want to replace them. And as you can see, this is some older stuff, 1995 controls. So we'll see what we got when we get up on the roof. Alright guys, looks like we're lucky. This is the unit we're working on. When I came out here, this is, let's see here, this is your RTRM board over here. Here's your ignition control board over here. And it was giving me a 6 flash code, which when you go to your panel here, 6 flashes, if I can get this thing to zoom in, is, no, I'm sorry, that's the wrong one. Here we go. 6 flashes, heating failure, flame rollout open. When I came out here, the rollout switch, which is that little guy right there, was definitely tripped. I reset it, and let's see, you tell me what the problem is here. Reset the power. Should go to your time delay. There's the blower, and you can see, I don't know if you guys can hear it, but that inducer motor is locked up pretty bad. So I'm gonna check real quick my my voltage, just to make sure we got proper voltage to our inducer motor. Give me one sec here, guys. Let me put you down here for a second. Sorry about that, guys. Had to get my meter. You can see we are at 238 volts applied to that motor, and that motor's not spinning. That's why we had a rollout. Must have locked up in the middle of a heat cycle, because usually that pressure switch should have kicked that system out once the inducer failed, or if it, failed before another cycle startup. So this thing must have been running and eventually just locked up, and then before the pressure switch can open up, they probably had a crazy rollout and that switch tripped it out first. So they're gonna need a new inducer motor here, guys. Alrighty, we'll see what we can get here. Hey guys, back here at this 7.5 ton trane unit rooftop. I went ahead and, I couldn't get the job done. I was out here yesterday, and when I got back from trane, the second I pulled up to the parking lot over here, it was just raining like crazy. So I couldn't get the inducer motor put in. But it's Thursday, about 8:30 in the morning. I got the new inducer motor put in. And here's the old one. You see it's all rotted on the the wheel a little bit rusted, which is weird because it spins freely. You can hear a little noise from the bearing, but when there's 230 applied to it, it wouldn't do nothing. So we're gonna go ahead and turn on the unit, and hopefully we get this bad boy to fire up for us here. She goes through its time delay, blower should come on, and we should get inducer operation. There's the blower. There's the inducer. Sounds a lot better now. And we'll see if we can there's a spark ignition. And we have ignition. We're good to go. I'm gonna let it run here for a while, make sure we don't have any other issues. But it looks like all this thing needed was just a new inducer housing, or inducer assembly here. Alright guys, see you on the next one.